Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is JD and today we are going to be talking about this drone. I was really excited to get my hands on the Antigravity A1 because this isn't just another drone. This is the first consumer 8K 360 degree camera drone. Of course, this is developed by Insta360 and it introduces a completely different way of flying and shooting. When I saw this last year, I was hooked. I was reading about this, I was researching, and right from the start, alam mo na this drone is not about traditional framing. The whole idea is simple. Fly first, frame later. Before we start, quick context muna. This is a watch before you buy type of video. Hindi lang to unboxing and this is not sponsored. We bought this with our own money. In this video, I'll show you how the Antigravity A1 actually performs in real-world use, how it flies, how the footage looks after editing, and more importantly, kung para kanino talaga itong drone na to. Excited ka na ba? Let's do this. Ano ba ang mga pag-uusapan natin sa review na to? We're gonna talk about what makes this drone different from traditional drones. Pag-uusapan natin yung image quality and its limitations. Kung fun ba talaga gamitin and paliparin. Kasi, fly first, edit later, di ba? And then of course, how to edit this. And at the end, kung worth it ba siya for the price. Let's go! Ayan. Buksan na natin tong anti-gravity na to. Nice! So if you're thinking of buying the Antigravity A1 or curious ka about 360 drones and content creation, watch this before you decide buying. You might think why this drone is different. With most drones, you're constantly thinking about angles, composition, and camera movement habang lumilipad. Dito, hindi mo na kailangan isipin yun. Since it's capturing everything 360 degrees, you can focus on flying and movement, then decide on the final shot later during editing. This alone makes it very different from traditional drones. Ganda niya. Dami kasama. Who is this drone for? Let's be honest, this drone is not for everyone. This is best for content creators and vloggers, social media creators, doing reels, shorts, and TikToks, syempre. And then of course, yung mga travelers who want some dynamic, cinematic footages. Diba? Ganda. Oh, it is white. Like the bag. Hard case. This is the battery. And this is the joystick. Kung ang priority mo is super sharp footage straight out of the camera or ayaw mo mag-edit, then this might not be the right drone for you kasi mas matrabaho to. Yeah, very sturdy. So let's talk about the image quality. Yes, it shoots 8K, but because that resolution is spread across 360 degrees, the final reframe shot is not as sharp as a traditional 4K drone, like the DJI Mini series. Pero that's a trade-off kasi when you're giving up a bit of sharpness in exchange for creative flexibility for social media and online content, the quality is still good, tingin ko. So most likely, the next question you're going to be asking is it fun to fly? And my answer is, absolutely. This is one of the most fun drones I've ever flown. Kasi nga, you're focused more in flying rather than shooting. Diba? The FPV style experience feels immersive and intuitive. And since you're not worried about framing, mas relaxed yung flying experience. Even beginners can enjoy this without feeling overwhelmed. Trust me, I am not an FPV drone pilot, pero this one I can fly. This is best used in daylight though. Low light performance is not its strong point. Most likely your next question would be, is it easy to edit? If you're used to it sa 360 before, editing will feel very familiar. Ganun din lang yung editing niya. The framing is fast, creative effects like tiny planet and horizon flips are easy to do. And overall workflow, it's very creator-friendly. May konting learning curve, but it's more about creativity than technical difficulty. Compared to the DJI, this is very expensive. Let's be honest about it. And is it worth the money? This is a premium product. I think it's worth it if you create content regularly, you want shots that stand out, and you enjoy creative editing. Yun yung use niya eh. But if you just want a simple, sharp, traditional drone, this might feel a bit overpriced. So let's talk about the pros of this product. Of course, this is very unique. You can have that unique 360 creativity. You capture everything, meaning infinite reframing and creative shots you can get from a regular drone, di ba? And of course, yung fly first, frame later, hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry about composition habang lumilipad. Focus mo on flying and movement muna. Edit later, di ba? And another thing is, its weight. It's very portable and lightweight. It's only under 250 grams. Mas madali i-fly, mas relax ang registration rules in many countries. Kaya easy peasy. And another thing is, this is fun and immersive flying. FPV-like experience with motion controllers and goggles. Feels exciting and intuitive even for beginners. Hindi siya mahirap i-fly. I was initially intimidated pero it's good. And another thing is easy reframing workflow. These 360 editing apps are user-friendly, makes creative editing fast and intuitive. This one has a cool effects built-in already. Meron siyang tiny planet, rising clips, and dynamic reframing without complicated editing. Or you can do this in the app already. And of course, kung may pros, meron ding cons. This one, not as sharp as traditional drones, since 8K is spread out across 360 degrees. Final shots won't be as crisp as something like a DJI Mini or other dedicated camera drones. Kasi syempre, yung 8K mo, it's spread out. Ang isang downside for me is yung premium price point. This is a niche creative tool and it comes at a higher price than standard 4K drone. Medyo pricey talaga siya. And of course, you have to have a learning curve in workflow. If you're not used to 360 editing, kailangan mo ng time to learn the reframing process. Pero kasi us, we use into 360 kaya going through here, it's much easier. And then the last is, this is not ideal for low light. Exposure and performance drop in darker conditions. This is best used in daylight. This is not a one and done drone. Why? Because it's not as straightforward as the other drone, you know, of course, the traditional drone. It's more, yung traditional drone kasi is much faster and simpler to use. Kasi you just turn it on, you fly it, kung ano makapture mo, yun. This is more flexible. That's more straightforward. This is best for creators and storytellers. Not recommended kung ang priority mo ay sharp, traditional footage for commercial work. I'm not gonna use this. So the final verdict, the Antigravity A1 is a very interesting piece of tech. I won't lie, there is a learning curve. So una, medyo mahirap siyang gamitin kasi nakakahilo siya. It's something that you just pick up and master right away. But once you get the hang of it, it actually becomes very easy and very fun to use. Now the big question is, will I use this for my travels? Probably not. I will still use the old traditional drone sa type ko rin. Just because it's simple, it's very straightforward, and dalawa lang yun. Drone at saka yung remote control niya. That's why I feel like the Antigravity A1 is not for everyone. But, if you're someone who wants a different kind of shot, something more dynamic, more immersive, something that feels like you're really in the moment, then this A1 becomes special. Yung mga makukuha yung footage dito, it's something you don't normally see. And that alone makes it worth considering. Ganyan. Meron lalabas ngayon na Avatar 360. You know, I'm very interested in comparing this drone to that. Kasi tandaan nyo, this is Insta360's first drone. Si DJI naman, first time niyang gagawa ng 360. So, tingnan natin kung paano sila mag-compare to each other. It's gonna be a battle between the two. This is one of those gadgets that depends on what kind of creator you are. So if you want easy and reliable, you use the traditional drone. But if you want something unique and cinematic, this might be for you. And that is my review of the Antigravity A1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!